What's up YouTube? This is Yokin247 with my crazy friends. We are doing a thug fight, fist only, at Majaza's Ranch over here. What we're going to be doing is going in this little ring right here. Two people are going to fight it out and see who wins. And, okay. Alright, get face. So who's going first? Oh my god.
Wissspet, get out of there.
So we got two females over here, Alejandro and Deanna B right here. So when you guys are ready, fist fight. Or not.
Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Where'd go?
She's right here.
Alejandro,
Get inside the ring. Get in.
the ring.
Get in the ring.
Fight.
Go fight.
Go fight. There you go. Oh, it's about to go down. Oh,
Fight.
Oh shit. Oh. Oh. Feel to the vagine.
Oh, Deanna wins.
She broke her knee. Go, trouble.
Alright.
Wait, let me get my health up. Wait.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Alejandro, out.
Fuck. My health is low as fuck. Yeah, I'm dead.
Ow.
That was fucking bull.
Yep. Yeah, eat that.
Like the money, trouble.
Who's
Got
going?
lucky.
Who's going next?
I guess the last one to go up against somebody is me.
Alright, I'll go against you then.
Alright, one sec. Let me get that mission going.
Alright,
Please, maybe. No, what are you doing with the mission? No mission.
Alright.
let's go.
Ow.
The official.
My character's getting his ass kicked.
Yeah, run away.
Ooh.
Move!
Oh! Ah! That's a penalty for hitting the ref. Oh, what are you doing? She runs back out. Oh, my bad.
Dropped you like a
I was
second.
waiting for the
You
one
got
that-
fucked up.
Two people. Yeah, I own this. Alright, who's going next?
Right?
Who's going next? Carlo and, okay. Yeah, you guys go.
Who, me?
No, it's, Deanna and Carlo.
Wait, let me go buy some soda.
Alright. Uh-oh.
Whoa. Wrong button.
That was like a fucking run jump kick.
That filter, though. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh shit.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ah.
Carlo
Like, you
wins.
like the money?
That was a pretty
Yeah.
long fight.
No. Mark's dead already.
Alright, Alejandro versus Wissspet.
Why is that?
Yeah.
You don't? What was that for, Merc?
Probably a couch.
So I could regain my health.
Ooh. Damn.
Oh!
What happens with your strength all the way up?
Ooh.
Go Wissspet.
Alright, so,
Wait, let me buy my health off.
alright.
The person to our left is like,
We're
we're
going
fucking
straight
up.
to the middle. So, let's go.
I'm not killing trouble, by the way.
Let's go.
I'm taking out my gun.
Ow.
Hey, don't touch. There's no gun.
Wow, that's a
Ow.
beautiful piano.
I'm just swinging. Ah! You flat! Ah!
got both.
Why am I not aiming at you?
Oh crap! Somebody dead.
Get dropped.
Oh!
Get
oh,
dropped.
Oh! Oh!
Get
Tiana
dropped.
knocked me out.
What now?
Ah. Get
I'm trying
dropped.
to guns to
Get dropped. Beat everybody
I
there.
don't know how to duck.
I
Were you
win.
using the what
I
were you
win.
using, Trouble?
I wasn't using nothing. I
You're using
win.
fucking brass knuckles.
I don't know how to dodge, by the way, so.
Okay. So, as of right now, we're going to show you
Oh,
our
why
cars.
is she sniping? Why is
Hey,
she sniping?
hey, shut up. Right
Hey,
now,
she was sniping.
YouTube, we're going to show you our cars. So let's transition there. Alright, entering MrWissspet's garage. Alright. Nice cars.
Huh?
You guys
My
nice
cars?
cars? Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Well, I don't even know how to begin this, man.
Oh,
Well,
Alejandro's
I've got
about
the Sentinel and the Sentinel XS. Got the Vapid Saddler over here. The Sand King, I don't even know why I kept this thing. I think only for like money.
Get rid of it.
I've got my Dubster, my benefactor Dubster here. I've got a Karen Sultan, supposedly rare, but not rare anymore, from what I've been hearing. The shafter here is not insured, so I don't take it out much. I want these two bikes, my LCC Hexer and Body 801 to death. Ride them all the time. I've got the Glendale. I recently just purchased this, and I'm working on the upgrades for it now. And that's about all in my garage.
That is
I
some
think
cool
my
stuff.
first one. Yeah.
Alright, let's go to my garage. Going in my garage. And this is my beautiful garage with my friends running around my stuff. Okay. See this right here. Adder. Don't know what this car is, I just picked this off the street.
The man.
Madness, yes. Sanchez. My Turismo. Beautiful Turismo. Had it for a long time. My Zentoro. Don't know how to say that word. My Dinket Thrust. Dinket Double T. And my Hexer. Midnight colors all over my cars. Yes. Go. So whose garage is this?
Mine.
Show us around.
This is the Buffalo S, other words Franklin's Buffalo, with the matte black. This is the Enos Huntley with the chrome with my crew color blue right over it. This is the True Fade Adder, which is supposedly the fastest vehicle on GTA. You have the Sultan, Karen Sultan, one of another rare vehicle. You got the new vehicle, the Dubster 6x6 off-road. This beast of a looking thing right here. Then we have the Volker Warner, kind of like a muscle vehicle. You have my BMX bike right there, TV over there. You have this other muscle lowrider vehicle called the Vapid Blade. The thing is fast. You have the Nahash, the Blazer, which is, in other words, Trevor's Blazer, little four-wheeler type thing. You have my little Panto here, the panty dropper. Thing does like 100 in like 2 seconds. And then you have the Zentorno, which is another fast vehicle, which is like, I don't know, it's weird. And most of my cars are my crew blue.
I chose Bounty Hunters.
Okay, so here's trouble entering my garage. Starting up, we have my black and hot pink adjuster, one of my first cars, one of my favorites. Haven't driven in a while. My Karen Sultan with the Spider-Man kind of theme. Nice Nerf. Then we got my convertible Sentinel, the same one as Amanda, Michael's wife. And my Sandy King XL, which I was using for spawning cars in the fleet of Voodoo. And the new Gupta 6x6. My favorite motorcycle, the Pagani Batty 801. Probably pronounced that wrong, don't care. Then Franklin's Buffalo with the midnight blue and blue pearlescent. And my favorite car that I always drive is my Pagani Zentorno, fully upgraded, same with the midnight blue pearlescent. One of my favorite cars, faster than my Jester, I believe. But yep, and I have 2 BMX bikes and a mountain bike. That's it.
Sick.
Nothing special.
Alright, let's go. Alright, YouTube, this is it. In the video, like and subscribe. And shout out to my wonderful girlfriend, Simone Hunter. I love you, and I'll talk to you later. This is Joking 24/7, and peace.